Kenneth Daniel here at Late Night Custom, local body shop here in South Hill, Virginia. The owner is William Daniel. Let's walk in, see what he has to offer.
Yeah, look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the moves? Yeah, I just hit a Mikey for the juice. Yeah, ain't no capping, I'ma tell the truth. I've been winning for so long, it's hard to lose.
I'm the owner of Late Night Customs. I've been in business for about 8 years. We basically just got into this new location right here. We redid the building. We use all PPG products from start to finish. That's what every car manufacturer uses. We have two mixing banks. We have a color matching computer that matches all the paint where it's perfect. Once you come into this building, you become family, you become a customer for life. We guarantee all our work. We just want to make sure you're happy. I mean, we're just 100% guaranteed everything we do. This is basically the computer system. You got the outside computer out there. Basically everything is in here. Basically you put the paint code in here. It goes right to the mixing bank, tells us exactly how much grams to put in to mix your paint. It's very accurate. We have a computer that we can actually scan the paint on any car to make sure it's basically almost 100%. We're the only basically body shop in the area who has a computer and has two mixing banks. Just did the whole side of this vehicle. You can kind of see it. No trash, no blemishes. That's one we just finished. We got a Facebook, Late Night Customs. We have, you can look us up on Google. The phone number is 434-584-9767.